Good morning, traders. This is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is December 7th, 2010. I want to show you here that the Atlas line is starting to give us short orders, as well as the ATO telling us to go short here at 12:31. Now, if you remember last night, the news event that occurred yesterday, late December 6, 2010, was the Obama administration is extending or agreed to extend the tax cuts. So the market gave a big rally overnight, and obviously all the financials like that idea of giving tax breaks and approving that. But this morning, as you could see, the market is starting to come down a little bit, and the Atlas line that we have right here, the Atlas line, as soon as price crossed the Atlas line, we got a short order here at 12:31. Okay, so really what this is telling me is that you cannot take the news for what it's worth. Sometimes positive news does not relate into the market going up, or negative news relates to the market going down. Okay, and instead, let's concentrate on watching how price and the price action is moving. Okay, so I'm not sure if the market is going to continue lower from here, or if it's going to now rally, or if it's going to just tank today. But I can tell you that if price is below the Atlas line and we're getting these short signals to go short, it's evident that we should be thinking price is going down, price is going short, we should go short. We should not think, let me go long because of the positive news. Only go long if price crosses and closes above the Atlas line. Okay, just giving you a demonstration of how a news event, positive or negative, does not correlate directly to what the market does. So if you bought this morning, based on that news event, you can see the market starting to head down. And I knew not to go long, instead to go short because of the Atlas line. All right? All right, I'm going to go short here, 12:31.
Order pending. Order filled.
So I'm filled here, and what I'm looking at as far as being filled here short 12:31 are a few things. One is, let's take a look at the tools available to us as traders to incorporate how we should exit this trade. The market has been moving in a certain range, bar by bar, and I'm going to use that to my benefit. Everyone should be using the ATR, average true range, of the last, let's say, 4 or 5 bars to dictate your exit. So I'm looking at my ATR right now. It's at 1.86, which is roughly between 1 3/4 and 2 points. So if you have a profit target of 5 points, it's going to take much longer, and it's going to be much harder to achieve that. Instead, you should be thinking the price has been moving about 1 3/4 of a points to 2 points the last 5 bars, and therefore I should be using that as my profit target or my exit strategy. So because of that, I'm following price, and I'm showing you that 1 3/4 is what you should be taking as a profit target on this trade. Now, if the market slows down, we adjust. If the market speeds up and we have now 2 or 3 points of ATR, then let's do the same thing. It works both ways. We should be realistic when taking profits, and therefore I'm going to say that a 1 3/4 is exactly where we should be taking profit based on what the price has already done. So I'm going to, instead of using 2 points, I'm going to put this at a point and 3/4 because I'm using this to justify my profit target. All right. All right, traders, as you can see, the short signal that I had here at 12:31 was pretty precise, and it touched my profit target. It's got to go through it. No guarantee of a fill here, but I have had it here about 10 minutes or so that it is going to fill me, and maybe I spoke too soon. Give it another try on its way down. Remember, markets move in a wave type of formation, so let's see if it gives it one more try on the way down. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is that the original signal here at 12:31, which occurred right here, to go short, you can see that the ATR was exactly right. Even with the first trade going short, that was already telling me that that's the only profit target that I should be concentrating on. It only went about 2 points down.
Target filled.
And there you have it, guys. Okay, now I'm not sure if the market's going to continue lower or it's going to reverse higher, but I can tell you that I'm using my ATR, average true range, to dictate my profits, and that is the right way to think about trading. Not what you think may happen or what you hope may happen, but really what the price action is able to withstand. All right? My name is John Paul. This is the Atlas line. We also have now another short setup, 12:29. Going short. This is Chase the Trade.